Hello and welcome. Today we're going to make something slightly different. So this one is going to be an iced latte, but instead of the normal caramel, vanilla flavours, we're going to put something slightly different. So we're going to do a slight twist on this. So this is a chocolate iced latte and it's got a milk whip on top, but the milk whip is going to have a hazelnut flavouring. So basically a chocolate hazelnut iced latte. Let's get to it. So kit list rundown, you're going to need your coffee shop. So I've already prepared there, that's my 14 grams of coffee. I'm going to put it onto my coffee machine, going to extract it for around about 20 seconds to give me 30 mils. We're going to need red and blue milk for this one. You're going to need your cup obviously to put it in, your chocolate sauce, your hazelnut syrup, if you can see it there, ice. Another piece of equipment you're going to need to create the milk whip is this little whipper here. I don't know whether you've ever seen these before. So basically go onto Google, type in milk whipper, and you get these wonderful little things. They'll create that milk whip in a few seconds. You just enter your equipment in there. Sorry, not your equipment. You put your milk in there and set it to go, and it just automatically creates that lovely smooth milk whip that we're going to pour on top of our iced latte. There we go, coffee extraction. I believe, I've not done it, but I believe you can, if you don't have a coffee machine, you can boil the kettle, get yourself a little espresso cup, put a bit of water and a few spoons of instant coffee, give it a good mix and use that instead. There we go. So we've got one coffee shop prepared. Everything's ready to go. Okay, so milk whip. There we go. I'm going to put skim milk into the whipper. You can of course use any milk you like, but skim milk seems to hold the whip together a little bit better. I'll put a little bit more. There we go. So that's my hazelnut. I'm following manufacturer's instructions. 4 beeps. And we let it do its thing. So I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to bring the camera over and show you what it's doing. So you can see, it's preparing the whip. You'll see how that milk is thickening really easily. And you got that lovely flavour in there as well, so you got that lovely hazelnut flavour. There we go. Okay, so while the whipper's finished, I'm going to put the chocolate sauce in the bottom. Like so. Maybe a little bit more. Depending on how you like it. If you like it nice and sweet, the more you put in. We're going to put the ice in. Okay. Fill this. So I've got to be aware that I need enough room for the shot, which goes in the top. And of course then my milk whip. So done, that's ready to pour. There we go. And there we have it. And there we have the final product. Super fast, super easy, lovely flavour of chocolate, hazelnut, just in time for autumn. Now the good thing about this iced latte is that we could use this lid if we wanted to and use that to go out and about. But in this case I'm just going to get a straw and then we're going to do the taste test. Right, going in. Oh, that's good. Okay, so that's really nice. That's a subtle flavour. So it's not massively overpowering because I didn't put tons of hazelnut in there and tons of chocolate. It all depends on what your preferences are. If you like it really super sweet, then put tons more chocolate in there, tons more hazelnut, maybe some hazelnut in the milk as well as in the whip. But amazing. Yeah, really impressed. Yeah, have a go, see what you think. So I really hope you enjoy making a hazelnut chocolate iced latte at home. Let me know if you do, let me know what you think. Give it a try and see. So give us a like, give us a subscribe if you want to see some more. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.